All right, how you doing? It's April 19th. We got a lot of snow. To measure that, I always look at the top of our little trash can we got here. There's how much snow we got. Definitely more fell, but it's pretty heavy snow, so it's very compact. Very heavy, very thick, wet snow. And right now, I notice I have to talk louder with the phone. Anyway, right now it's a bunch of snowballs mixed with really thick snowflakes. Let's see if I can focus in. Let's zoom. See that? There's a snowflake right there with thick, wet snowballs. Just a nasty, wet, thick, gunky snowstorm. So anyways, as I was saying, I think more snow fell than actually is like showing because it's so compact and thick. Pushed it way down. See how thick and compact, and that's why I think the power went out. It's very heavy on the trees and lines. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the trees. Some of the trees anyway. As per usual, it's too wet and melting for the snowstorm. This is an icicle. And we're just getting snowballs, but we are getting snowflakes in between, but I can't get them in time. Oh shoot. It just fell snow just fell on my camera. Okay. So they are here, see them? But they're going fast. The neighbor is getting out his tractor, so if you hear that noise, that's what that is. I managed to get one snowflake, but that was it. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for checking in, everybody. Stay warm.